Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve or fix if there's no volume or sound coming out of your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is first just select the little speaker icon down in your system tray. Go ahead and select that, and then make sure the audio device is turned up so you can hear it. If you're still having a problem, you can open up the search menu, and you want to type in audio. Best result, you come back up audio input volume control. Go ahead and select that. And then underneath the output section, so it should be the top setting here, click the drop down and select the correct speaker device you want to make sure it's turned on. And if it says allow, you want to go ahead and select allow. If it says don't allow, it means it's presently enabled and you don't want to disable it, obviously. Underneath output settings, you can go ahead and test it as well as turning the volume up to make sure you can hear it properly. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.